Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create an image carousel and add it to a card website. Let's get started. The Image Carousel widget is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to Card's website editor. Please note, the widget content will not show in the editor and will only be visible once the page is published. On your Card website editor, select where you wish to add your widget. In the editor, click the Add button. And then click on the Embed element. Note, the Embed element is available only for Card's premium users. Now, you'll see the Embed element added to your site. Go to the Properties panel and simply paste the widget code you've copied in the code area. And click on the Done button. Click Save to publish your website. Now, the image carousel will show on your website.